Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to cook an eggplant on the stove. First, prepare your eggplant by slicing it into 1/2-inch thick rounds or cubes. Next, generously sprinkle salt on both sides of the pieces. Allow the eggplant to sit for about 30 minutes. This process draws out excess moisture and bitterness. Finally, pat the eggplant completely dry with paper towels before moving on to cooking. This crucial step ensures a better texture and flavor. Now, let's get cooking. Heat about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Once the oil shimmers, carefully place your dried eggplant slices in a single layer, ensuring not to overcrowd the pan. Cook each side for approximately 3 to 5 minutes, or until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and become tender. Remember to add more oil as necessary for any additional batches. If you prefer a different texture, try sautéing eggplant cubes. Dice your eggplant into 1-inch pieces. Heat about 1/4 cup of olive oil in a large pan over medium-high heat. Add the eggplant cubes and sauté them for 8 to 10 minutes, stirring frequently to ensure even cooking. Continue cooking until the cubes are soft, tender, and lightly browned on all sides, ready to absorb your favorite flavors. Once your eggplant is perfectly cooked, it's time to season and serve. Add a pinch of salt, a dash of pepper, and your favorite fresh herbs like basil or parsley. Serve the warm eggplant immediately as a delicious side dish, or integrate it into other recipes such as pasta, salads, or even sandwiches. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.